Hello, in this video we are going to be going over how to pull financial statements from the EDGAR website. This is also known as sec.gov for the Securities and Exchange Commission. So the first thing I recommend is to find the ticker symbol for the company you're trying to look up. So in this case, I just type in the name of the company and ticker. Most of the time, it very easily, if you Google it, it'll pop up. It is this 4-letter code right here, SBUX. Then from there, you're going to go to sec.gov. That's sec.gov. Now, once you're at the sec.gov website, you're going to go to search filings and scroll down, and we're going to go to the company search. SBUX, I believe it was. There it is. And when you type in the ticker symbol, it's just a faster, easier way to find the company you're looking for. In this case, Starbucks. S-Bucks right here. So I'm going to click on Starbucks Corporation. And we are pretty much going to be focusing on 10Ks in this class. So those are the annual reports that publicly traded companies file with the SEC. All right, so if we scroll down, I'm going to keep going. We want to skip all of these 10Qs, and we want to find our first 10K. Here's our first 10K right here. Now, don't do this, or if you want to, you can. But first, I just want to kind of click in here. So I'm going to click the main link and just show you this is the full annual report for Starbucks Corporation, right, for the year of 2023. Now, if we go here, we can click on this and it'll bring us to the company's financial statements. Notice here it says statement of earnings. You may not have learned this as a statement of earnings back in the day, but if we look, we see we have net revenues, we have expenses, operating income, interest expense, and here we go, our net earnings. So really what this is this is an income statement. It's just titled a little differently from what you learned in class. And many different companies are going to have different types of statement names. So for example, if you see a statement of position, that's a balance sheet. So definitely be aware of that. Let's scroll down. See, they just call theirs a balance sheet. Now, you're going to be using primarily the income statement and the balance sheet to do some ratio analysis. Now, in order to do this, we could go ahead and we could copy and paste this into Excel, but if anyone's ever done that before, you notice that it comes out very ugly. It's not well formatted or anything like that. So I'm going to go back to that prior tab we were working on. And rather than clicking the main link, I'm going to click this filing link. And then there will be this blue button here that says interactive data. Let's click that. And then from there, you will see that we have all of our financial statements, so on and so forth. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click this View Excel document and download that onto our computer. And then from there, you will see that we have a ton of tabs. So many tabs. For your assignments, we really only need 2 of these tabs. So we need the statement of earnings and the balance sheet. So in order to do this, usually what I recommend is click on the statement of earnings, locate your other tab. So with the statement of earnings still selected, I'm going to just kind of go over there until I find my balance sheet. And I'm going to press the Control, the CTRL button on my keyboard, and also click on that balance sheet. Now you will see that we have both the statement of earnings, the income statement, and the balance sheet selected here. I'm going to go to one of them and right click. And I'm going to click Move or Copy. Now you'll notice here that it's saying, well, where do you want those tabs to be? And I'm going to say that I want it to be in a new book. And then click OK. And now you'll notice a new Excel book has popped open and you have just those two. So basically, when you complete this assignment, please make sure that you are just having these tabs. If you want to, you can have an additional tab that has like additional information or a welcome or something like that. But we shouldn't have, let me go back to the other file, all of those other tabs submitted. Okay. All right. And that should be all you need to know in order to download your financial statements to complete your assignments. Good work and good luck.